Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about how to install a carbon fiber pipe guard. Whether it's an E-line or an S or a P3, they both install the same way. We prefer the E-lines. We sell a lot more of them just because we prefer them because they're thicker, but there's nothing wrong with the P3. It's also an excellent pipe guard. But we get calls all the time about this part. Guys, hold it up here and say, oh, you sent me the wrong guard. I don't know, we didn't. You got to put a little more effort into it than that. Push it up here, pop it on. There you go, it's on. So from there you got to get your clamps on. And there's a couple of methods. You can have the clamp running on the outside of the pipe guard like this. I think that looks kind of crude. So I prefer to do the hook method, and that is, I'll show you here. So the way I do that is I put this around here first, and I get an idea of where I want, the adjuster to be. I like to keep things kind of tucked in and clean as possible, so I've got it way underneath here. That's right under here. And then once I have that just held in position, then I just make a mark where the slot is. There's a slot in the pipe guard right down here. I just make a slot, make a mark on it. Then I know where the end of it needs to be. And I'll grab it like this. And this. And I just bend it. So from there I take a pair of sheet metal shears here. And I just, leave a little tab there. And cut it off. After that, I bend it a little bit more. I kind of like to clamp this down as much as I can. I usually clamp it down pretty good, and then I open it back up with the screwdriver. That gives me a tighter bend right here. I'm going to pull this partially off. Maybe even open this back up a little bit more. Get it in there. Push the pipe guard back up where I want it to be. Alright, now I have to run this around. Sorry guys, I hope you understand what I'm doing here because I'm doing this by myself. I can't really move the camera around easily. So you get the clamp in there like that. Then you do the same thing up here. And you pull it tight. Take your marker, mark across here. And do this. And run the same procedure. Down tighter. And I'll open it back up. You gotta pop this pipe back off. And then put the clamps together. From there, I'm going to put the other clamp on. And it just has a groove on the outside here, so you can just wrap it around. I like to have the adjuster part at the bottom just to hide it. After I put that on, then the tail that's left over, it's usually got a pretty good section left over. I'll take and cut that off with these. And that's really about all there is to it. Don't be afraid to pound on it with your hand. You know, it's tough, and you can handle it. Pop it into place, put on your clamps, wham, bam, you're done. And I think that's all you need to know about that. Of course, if you have any questions, you're always welcome to email us at info@slavensracing.com or give us a call. We answer our phone. And please like us on all the social media. Subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and give us a shout out. But main thing is get out and ride. Get out and wear out some tires. So that's all for now, guys. Enjoy.